Hi, I'm Peggy and this is livinretirement.com, and today I thought I'd show you how to pick fresh greens out of the garden, how to wash fresh greens out of the garden, and then how to use it in a dish for your dinner. Okay, so let's talk about picking it first. Okay, so the best way to pick a green is to just snip with your finger. It keeps the plants, so you just snip with your finger. It keeps the plants healthy. They keep growing more of them. You don't pull them up, you just snip them with your finger. See this one here? Just take it and snip like that. That's all. And I always use a shallow dish for collection of the greens. The next thing I do is put it in a shallow, wide bowl like this, and I'll show that to you. And then what I do is don't let the water hit the greens, but you do it on the side of the bowl and fill up the bowl. Okay, now there's water in here, and all you do is take your hand and almost just do it like, put your hand like this and go in there and just shake it around. Don't worry about affecting the greens. It won't do anything, but you want to wash them for sure. Even though they're organic and in your garden, it has dirt, pollen, whatever else, and you don't want to have that. Just do it almost like a hand wash of your clothes. You just kind of shake it around. The next thing is to lay out 2 towels, one for the bottom and one for the top. So you take the lettuce greens from the top, shake it out, and put it onto the towel. Try to do it as loose as you can. Shake, shake, put it on the towel. But I can show you all the dirt that is in this water. See the dirt in the water? So now what you do is you take that and you gently press down, drying the lettuce, okay? Press down, press down. You're thinking, oh my God, she's ruining the lettuce. Nope. Okay, and then what you do is you fluff it up again by rolling this towel. Here is your lettuce, all clean, fresh, and ready to go. Now, for storage, I always use the same plastic bag because I reuse it over and over again. But I find that plastic is better than my cloth bags. But I put it in this bag and then put it in the refrigerator until dinner. I'll show you the dinner that I'm making with some grilled chicken. And here's some chicken breasts from the chicken grill, which I'll just slice up and put on our salad as well. Okay, we have our beautiful greens. I'm going to show you those. We've got those. And now we've got some shaved carrots. I did some purple carrots as well as orange. I've got some toasted sunflower seeds and some chopped pepper. And then we can put those on with our dressing and along with the chicken for our salad as well. So let's go ahead and just build our salad, Eric. And then I'm going to put the chicken on. This is the real deal. Eric, would you like chicken as well?
I'd love some.
Okay. And I'm going to show you the finished product before we get started. Doesn't that look delicious? Okay, so, and that's it. Simple, easy, breezy, delicious springtime meal. I can't believe you reached in front.